Hi, I'm Caitlin and I'm the Community Business Manager at Titan Springs Apartments. Today we're in a 3-bed, 2-bathroom on the first floor unit. As you'll notice, there's hardwood floors all around, so come take a look. We are the only community in the Omaha metro area that offers fiber optic, internet, and television services through Allo Communications. All kitchens at Titan Springs Apartments offer granite countertops, deep double-sided sinks with garbage disposals. All appliances are included, such as our GE refrigerator, stove, and microwave. Through the kitchen, you're going to find full-size washer and dryer. Offers a good-sized dining area space over here. The guest bathroom here offers a tub-shower combination, stool and sink with extra storage underneath as well. This bedroom is huge and easily fits a king or queen size bed. Has a deep closet, double slider. So both bedrooms on this side of the apartment offer walk-in shower or walk-in closets. This specific apartment is an ADA unit, meaning handicap accessible. Offers a large bathroom and a walk-in shower. Tons of storage space as well. And follow me to the next bedroom. This is the last bedroom. It is a corner unit, so you're not butting up against anybody, and it offers a nice walk-in closet. So if you're ready to leave your complex and join a community, call Titan Springs Apartments, 402-619-4358.